Time now to answer some of your legal questions and return to Fox 26 legal analyst Chris Tritico. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning.
Now we're going to start with Mark, who writes, my ex-wife and I share equal custody over all matters concerning our two children, including health care. I would like to get them vaccinated given the infection rate for kids is on the rise. I believe the decree specified both parties have to agree when it's something major like elective surgery. Do I need my wife's permission to get them the vaccine?
So, Mark, you need to look at your decree, your divorce decree, and determine what your specific rights are with respect to this. Just because you have a joint managing conservatorship, it doesn't mean that you necessarily have the right to do this without her consent. In the decree, there's going to be a section called other rights and duties, and that's where you're going to determine what your rights are with respect to making this decision. There are three specific rights granted parents: exclusive rights, rights subject to the agreement of the other party, and an independent right. That's where you determine what your rights are with respect to an invasive medical procedure. And that's what a shot is, because it goes inside the body. And so if it's granted to you as an exclusive right, you can do it without her consent. If it's granted to you as a subject to the agreement of the other parent, then you have to have her agreement to do it. If it's an independent right, all you have to do is notify her that you're doing it before you do it. So find out what your rights are and understand them. If you're not sure, take your decree to the lawyer of your choice and let them help you with it. Good luck.
Our next question comes from Martha, who writes, I have been on a payment plan with Kelsey Seabold. I called and asked to change the payments from $95 to $25 a month for 2 months since my husband lost his job and I am a preschool teacher out for the summer. They refused, so I paid my amount due on June 1st. They ended my payment plan, when I could not pay the $95. I guess the same day I called them, which was 6/22. Surprisingly, I have since received a call from the collections agency. I'm not even behind. Kelsey Seabold also cashed my check for $25 on June 24th. Is there a law where if I make a payment every month and don't miss a payment, they can't send it to collections?
Well, it seems first, I almost said a dirty word, what thing to do by Kelsey to you when you're just trying to get an accommodation for 2 months. And this should have gone up higher. You should have kept going up the chain of command until you got somebody to listen to you. That was terrible of them. They should not have sent you to collections just because you asked for an accommodation for 2 months over the summer. And so you need to keep paying whatever you can pay. If you can't pay all of it, pay what you can pay, and they will not sue you as long as you're paying something. It's going to keep building fees and interest, but keep paying something. And don't worry about what these collection people are saying to you. Just keep paying and it'll be fine. In the meantime, go up the chain of command at Kelsey and tell them what happened and keep doing it. Eventually, you will find somebody with some compassion that will help you with this. Good luck.
Great responses. Thank you so very much, Chris. Now, we want to let our viewers know that if they have a legal question that they need answered, just go to our website, fox26houston.com, and you can submit it there. You can find all of Chris's segments under the Morning News tab as well. And as always, for any specific information or advice, you should contact an attorney of your choice.